Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Dhaka Secondary School online classes. Today our topic in grammar lessons is conjunction. We are going to learn all about conjunction, its types and some sentence examples for a better understanding. So let's get started. Now what is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word. We use conjunctions to join two words, phrases or clauses together to make one long sentence. That is, a conjunction is a part of speech that functions as a connector between two sentences, clauses, phrases or words. Now come to kinds of conjunctions. There are various kinds of conjunctions. The most commonly used conjunctions are as follows: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions and compound conjunctions. The first one and the most commonly used are coordinating conjunctions. Now here is a list of coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet and so. The definition says coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases or independent clauses. What does it mean? It means if you have got two sentences and if you want to join them and make one sentence, you use coordinating conjunction, provided the two sentences are independent clauses or independent sentences, that is, they can stand alone. See in the example, John bought a bottle of water for he was thirsty. This is a simple sentence with continuity. But here you notice the coordinating conjunction used is for, which means the two sentences before the for and after for must be independent sentences. See, John bought a bottle of water. If you say only this, John bought a bottle of water, it conveys you a complete sense. It does not need another sentence to complete the sentence. Therefore, we can say it is an independent sentence. The next one is he was 30. It is also a complete sentence and it does not need another sentence to stand. That's why we can say these two are the independent sentences, and for is a coordinating conjunction which can be used to join two independent sentences, phrases or words. Likewise, we have other examples of coordinating conjunction: and Kelly loves cupcakes and donuts. Nor they couldn't go to the mall, nor could we. But Sandra likes oranges, but not apples. Or do you like coffee or tea? Yet the weather was very cold, yet we played in the yard. So Luke was studying, so he stayed up late. The next one is correlative conjunction. Well, what is a correlative conjunction is? A correlative conjunction consists of two or more words that function together. For example, either or, neither nor, whether or, not only but, both and. The example is either Bill or Mary wrote the poem. So these are correlative conjunctions and they are always used, they always function together. Now here are some very good examples, sentence examples to give you a better understanding of correlative conjunction. For example, we have the correlative conjunction both and. See, so how this can be used in a sentence? The company deals in both hardware and software. So you can notice the words in the red ink, both or and. So both and, they are correlative conjunction. Next one is either or. How it can be used in a sentence? I will eat either carrots or peas for dinner. So it is in an affirmative and a positive sense that either you can eat carrots or peas. So it gives you and mentions and shows the choice of dish. Then we have neither nor. Neither nor is basically a correlative conjunction which is used in a negative sense. You can better understand with the sentence example. Natalie likes neither milk nor cream cake. So she doesn't like any of these things, so we have used neither nor because it is a negative sentence. Then we have next whether or. Do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinners? This is also a sentence with option in which you have used the correlative conjunction whether and or. Next one is not only but. Actually this is also. He not only studies hard but also works well. So the word also was written in bracket, means it was optional. That is, according to sentence you can use also or you can use but only in the sentence. So this sentence was he not only studies hard but also works well. So he does both the things. The next one is such that. It's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to do much to keep it clean. It's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to do much to keep it clean. So this is how you can use such and that in a sentence. The next correlative conjunction is scarcely when. Scarcely had she entered the room when the phone rang. It means it was almost she just entered her first step in the room, the phone rang. So that's how you're going to use scarcely when. No sooner than. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. Actually this is a misprinting, this is a snake. S-N-A-K-E. Please mark it S-N-A-K-E, snake, right? No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. So these were the examples of correlative conjunction. The next one is subordinating conjunction. So subordinating conjunctions, they introduce subordinating clauses, which are the clauses that cannot stand by themselves as a complete thought. The subordinate conjunction connects a subordinate clause to an independent clause which can stand by itself. What does it mean? It means basically these conjunctions, they are used to join two sentences, right? So the basic idea of using a conjunction is to introduce flowness in writing and reading, and to summarize things, and to put at least two sentences together to make them one sentence, give you a better understanding. So subordinate conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used when one sentence is a dependent clause and the other one is an independent clause. How? Let's see. For example, we will go whale watching if we have time, right? Now if is the subordinating conjunction, and where is the independent clause and where is dependent clause? So for that you just separate the two sentences. We will go whale watching. This is one sentence. Second is we have time. So where is the main clause? The main clause is we will go whale watching. That's it. It's giving you a complete sense without any sentence help. But if we see we have time, so what? The next question comes, so what? What do you want to do? So we have time is an dependent clause and we will go whale watching is an independent clause, and in between them you have used if, which is a subordinating conjunction which is used to join together two sentences in which one is a dependent clause and the next one is a subordinating. So this is here is a list. So many conjunctions which can be categorized and fall under subordinating conjunctions after, although, as far as soon as, right? This is a list. The next one is compound conjunctions. What are compound conjunctions? The phrases. Basically, compound conjunctions are themselves phrases. They are not words. The phrases which are used as conjunctions are called compound conjunctions. First thing. Examples are, so you can note them. Examples are so that, provided that, as well as soon as long as, such that, in order that. A compound conjunction may have two or three parts and they always go together, right? This is a definition and a list of compound conjunction, right? Now the sentence example is, She talks as if she were the queen. So as if is itself, what is it? It is a phrase. As if is a phrase, and this is the compound conjunction which you have used between the two sentences. She talks, she were the queen. She talks as if she were the queen. The next one is as soon as. As soon as is also a compound conjunction which you can be used like this. As soon as the child saw the snake, he cried loudly. Right? As soon as the child saw the snake, he cried loudly. Hope you have understood the topic. Thank you for watching.